Hey, what's up, guys? So, today we will learn about the solo ads and why most of the affiliate marketers preferring solo ads for the high-end product selling and for the capturing leads to sell affiliate marketing products. It's include any products like from the health niche, from the MMO niche, from the finance niche, and you can also use solo advertisers for getting the clicks on your product. So nowadays Facebook is very strict for their advertisement. Even Google is very strict about the make money niche, about the health niche. So what you can do, you can use the solo advertisers. Okay, so if you compare what we are getting cost per click from the Facebook, from the Google. So if you comparing with the solo ads provider, so you will get the true facts ki, what we are getting from the Facebook and what we are getting CPC from the Google, almost the same. Okay, so you could test one solo website called the Udimi. Okay, so what is the solo ads? How they are providing the services? So today we will discuss all about the solo ads. So keep watching. So we will go through each by each. Just wait for a second. Wait. Okay, so let's discuss about the solo ads. Okay, so there is a website called Udemy. So Udemy is one of the trusted website. Okay, so on Udemy, so what is Udemy? So Udemy is a marketplace. So marketplace for all the solo ads providers, right? So who all solo ads providers? Okay, so mainly solo ads provider has a large list of emails. Okay, large list of emails, and all the emails they has been warm up. All the emails was warmed up. Warm up means okay, already as per provider's niche, maybe he has emails from health niche, he has email from MMO niche, make my online niche, he has emails from what you call any others niche like finance. Okay, so basically, solo ads providers generated this kind of emails through different strategy. Okay, so he has an email list or all email list on by him only. Okay, so every day solo providers generated emails from different niches. Okay, some email providers are very specific to only one niche, that is health or MMO or finance. Okay, so he's a very you can say experts in this one niche, right? Okay, so now you got the what about the solo ads and who all the solo ads provider, how they generate the emails, right? So what they do, they warm up leads on daily basis. Warm up leads means they send informatics info to that entire emails. Okay, and they took around 1 week, 1 month to warm up the entire list. Okay, so now list is ready to take action to purchase any items according to any niche, right? So what is basically how we can find the best solo ads provider? Okay, so what I said, there is a website called Udemy. Okay, so let's go to the Udemy and we will review Udemy. Okay, so first let me go through how we can uh, Okay. Okay, so this is the, you can say, Udemy website. Okay, so on a Udemy website there are so many solo ads provider according to as per their niche. Okay, so on Udemy you can select as per cost how much you want to give per click. Okay, you can select how much they got the rating. You can select the how much sales return sales are coming. Okay, and you can select the location, right? Location, conversion, sales rate and rating. Okay, so let's go to the udemy.com and we will further discuss, right? So now we are at Udemy. Okay, so on a Udemy you can find a seller. So first you have to go to the udemy.com. Okay, I'll put the link in the description, Udemy link, so you can follow the link and you can land it over this page. So go to find seller. Okay, so how much you can afford per click. Okay, so you can choose 0.40 cent. Okay, you can choose any niche like finance, marketing, health. Okay, just suppose health. Rating you can so the overall strategy key, you can go up to 25% rating. Okay, go up to 10% sell, right? And online, you can remove online. Okay, and you can go about the sales. So maybe you have to go lesser than this. You can go to, you can, so no one is providing in this of 0.40 cent. Okay, so you have to increase. So let's see by increasing. Okay, no, we are not getting 0.55, no. 0.16, no. 0.65, no. 70. So maybe, okay, let's so you got, we got one. Okay, right, but so everyone is not providing in a health niche. Okay, so let's change. So we can go to marketing, finance. We can go to the, you can say crypto. No, marketing is suitable. Okay, rating you can opt it for 25%. Got sales at least 20%. Okay, with the rating. Okay, so let's check Scott Tucker, right? To go to Scott Tucker. Okay, so this is the percentage of rating where buyer reported sales. So 36% has reported sales. Okay, out of 100. So he has a almost 30%, those who out of 100 30 got sales, right? And is provide so price per visitor is 0.64. He got 20% repeat customer. Okay, and he'll take almost 1 hour to reply you back, right? So like this you can go, and again how much visitor you want, so you can select date from there. So today is 14, so you can select tomorrow date. You can select how much visitor you want, 100. Okay, so you can check only mobile, only top tier. Top tier means you're getting visitor from the USA, UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Singapore, right? No mobile, prime filter. Okay, so just go to only top tier. Base filter means it can be turned off. It save your money by ignoring junk and unless duplicate traffic. Okay, so here you have two options. Even you can give them a text, okay, what the email content you want to send. Okay, so here you can write down the subject line, here you can write down the complete content with the link. Okay, and second is you can share your landing page link. Okay, and then you have to add to cart. Okay, so it's showing I have not added, so it's showing red. Okay, so then you can place the order, right? Okay, so now I am going to show you the best way to work as an affiliate, right? So guys, there are two way of doing the affiliate marketing. Okay, the first thing is suppose this is the ad, suppose this is solo ads. Okay, so I'm telling you the best way to start your affiliate marketing. Okay, then you need one opt-in page. There you can capture emails. Okay, then you can send to the affiliate link, or you can say sales page. Okay, so what somebody can do, you can share direct link of the sales page, or you can use the opt-in. So the best strategy is to use the opt-in page. Okay, so that you can capture the email IDs. Okay, so for that you can start your marketing with the autoresponder. Okay, once they opt in, so what your autoresponder will do, they start sending the first email, then second, then third. So 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 this way you can also warm up your own email list, right? And you can send any you can say product to them in a future. Okay, like as per their needs, right? Okay, so just hold. So guys, I hope you will understand about the what is the solo ads, who are or solo ads provider, which website is good to get the solo ads providers. Okay, so you can check Udimi. Udimi is the best place for the solo ads, and all the solo ads provider is verified over there, and you get the best result. Okay, so result is not typical for everybody. Okay, it depend on the vendor's email list. Okay, so you can try Udemy, and in the next video I will share a few more marketplace for the solo ads. Okay, for now you can try with the Udemy. So thank you guys. So I'll come with different you can say videos on the affiliate marketing, online business, and the digital marketing. So thanks for the day, and we'll meet soon. Thank you.